So Walker's been working on this. He just went home for breakfast, but getting some stuff mocked up with some temporary brackets and stuff. So trying to make everything fit in here. The cooling package is quite large for Cummins, so it's coming along. Integrating the lower core support for the 98 truck into the Sweptline to use factory body mounts and stuff. So we're gonna probably run 2 electric pushers on the outside for cooling. We'll probably trim more of that out to make some more room. Day 2. Okay, so it's the end of day 2, pretty much the beginning of day 3. We didn't do much videoing yesterday because all we really did, or actually Walker did, most of us, was just building the cab mounts and stuff. But we're putting the entire 2nd gen interior in it. He's in the process right now of pulling the dash out of the other truck, hook the steering wheel up, and so try to get some video today. I'm not really sure. I've got an Explorer I need to finish up for a customer, so I guess we'll see what happens. On them bad boys. This is probably literally one of the most comfortable trucks I've sat in. Wonder how much room is going to be taken up from the dash.
The dash is small. It's here.
That's true.
What we got right there, so it won't be too bad. She's probably very nice.
It's working out just fine. Oh, we should have put your trans tunnel in. Perfection.
Coming along. Pause the video.
We're about to find out if we did everything right.
Hopefully there's no smoke here in about 20 seconds.
Well, the batteries are hooked up, so they're not smoking yet.
Keep my head out of the way of the airbag. Got power.
You have to put your foot on the clutch.
Stupid!
Does it go all the way to the floor? Make sure it's out of gear. Oh, dude, we're close.
Now we just gotta prime the fuel.
We just attempted to start it and realized that the fuel filter housing was pouring it out, so we stopped that. And then we're gonna try again here in a minute. It's all come down to this.
Well, see it again.
You gotta push the clutch in like all the way. I found out. Oh, your feet are covered in fuel.
Wet foot.
Oh yeah.
That RKV dried up.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's solid.
Perfect.
Dude, I'm shaking.
How many days has this been? Like
2.5 weeks total.
But it wasn't full time though. It was a week straight.